probably enjoying the widescreen of the videos now. I'll try to keep it that way. This is horribly designed. Probably saw in my reassembling video. Simplex, what is this? Pretty sure this is manufactured by Space Age Electronics, but still, it's your design. You did not do well, Simplex. This should not happen. Now, they probably told Space Age Electronics, just give us the cheapest plastic and printing. Like, really? At least it's just the cover, but still, that's a few dollars right there. The cover. Got the alarm for $8, I know, cheap. But the cover, I'll have to pay like $12 for a new one or more. Because I have to get off eBay and, yeah. I'll put the camera down right quick. And with that, I have to. Because the show is literally falling apart. It was all made on the same day as it happened. But still. Yeah, the alarm. Real quick, focus the camera, because that totally makes sense. Nah, never mind. Is my glasses blurry, or is it me? Or what do I don't know. It's my glasses. Never mind, the camera's just blurry. I don't know how to fix it, Phone's acting up. Just a little bit. Don't want to focus. Don't know why. Let me try it out. Fixes it? No, of course it doesn't. It doesn't want to stay focused. I have a suggestion how to fix this. And comment down below. I don't know what's going on. But just the cloth too. Top of that end. Okay, I fixed it. It just keeps readjusting though, which is the problem. The cover. The thing actually broke. But this strobe thing, separated. Let's take it apart and show you a few design choices that were definitely bad for this. No editing, by the way, because it takes forever, and I might as well just make the videos quick, since I have the ability to. It doesn't matter, unless my YouTube channel gets a lot of views, like a lot. You have the inside. You see these two. Those are supposed to be screw holes. You can see the screw posts and then the holes where what the gaps for the screws to go through. There's nothing there. Factory. It's held by the clips. Yeah, I don't see the purpose of those being there if they're not going to be used at all. Second of all, the fact that this strobe can just unclip itself and then be like completely stop working because the way they connected it, it's just dumb. You'll see in the reassembling video how it's done. I'll probably put this video in the link of that one, and that one in the link of this one. But yeah, it's horribly designed. Like, I don't know what's going on. Clearly simplex time recorders. They tried designing safety equipment for the modern age, and yeah. I'm pretty sure the older ones are still also garbage, but probably not the 2903-2-1 light plates. I think it's strobe plates. I'm not sure. But these alarms, I don't know what's wrong with the newer one. Don't ask what's going on in the background. I'll take another video. Hey, copyright. Okay, yeah, anyways, yeah. They probably picked the cheapest plastic they could for this. I mean, it would have worked if I had better plastic, but still, it's ridiculous. I mean, it doesn't feel super cheap, but still, it shouldn't just do that. I dropped my system sensor SCW before when I still had it before I sold it. But yeah, it didn't break. Its plastic didn't break when it hit the floor. Surprisingly, it was perfectly fine on the plastic. And internals, everything was fine. It's completely worked still. But this, I mean, it probably still works. I haven't tested it. Well, I haven't been able to use it at all since I got it. But this broke when it hit the floor. Like, it's it's just ridiculous. Why? Simplex, come on. It's cool looking design. Looks nice, but come on. But yeah, don't ask what video is playing in the background. Okay, fine. Chris MK, don't sue me, please, because and yeah, and I don't know. Okay, yeah. Um, I don't know. Probably won't say it's my fault, which it kind of is, but because I dropped it, but still, it shouldn't just break like that. It's crazy. But oh boy, that's not good. Whatever. Yeah, look, it's a simplex strobe. It's made of nothing. Simplex. Why? Why? I was go happy at having this, but come on. I have to buy a new. I have to buy a new whatever it's called, the cover now because of how bad they designed it. But yeah, this is not good. And no, I'm not dropping this again. This thing was already bad. But yeah, I'll clean the strobe ones real quick. I don't care. I'm just using my shirt at this point. I don't care. This alarm is probably the worst one we got. I was debating between an RSS and Warlock RSS, and no, not the MCW. It's locked Condolo version, but this one would have been good if it wasn't simplex material choice. I'm making this so flimsy. Like, I'm pretty sure Space Age Electronics was completely capable of using better materials, just what Simplex was like, make it as cheap as you can. Not too cheap, of course, but cheap enough that it meets code. Like, come on. Then you're gonna sell us for $100 new and be like, look, reliable. Like, no, get out. It's not reliable. It looks nice, but come on. Yeah, that's my thoughts. I might change in the future. I don't know. But yeah, it's. But yeah, it's just bad. It looks nice, but come on, Simplex. All it needs is better materials. I mean, at the bare minimum, better materials. Like, design could be fine if they didn't make the materials so cheap. I mean, the strobe itself, completely undamaged. The transparent thing, it's just a cover, but still. The design itself, too, the way they have the strobe on and stuff, internally, that's also bad. I mean, at least it's just the cover, but whatever. Whatever, I don't know. But look. kind of noticeable. Certain angles, if I were to do it, I can't catch all because, yeah, you can kind of see it. Even if I was able to reglue it, it would never be the same again. Fingerprints everywhere. Look, I don't care. So, Lee has been made. Simplex, it's your fault. Making this out of whatever. Not really the best materials. Looks good, but is not good. Sorry, but yeah. Why? Just why?